Good morning. My name is Laura Meier-Schmitz with Mulberry Business Solutions. Today I want to talk about one of the major tools that I use to serve my clients, and that's QuickBooks. And the real question is using QuickBooks better than having an accountant? And the truth is, you need both. Most businesses do need to have a crew of people who can serve and advise that business. So, for instance, you start your business, you set up your QuickBooks, and you get going. That's great. You may be recording things somewhat consistently. Those are wonderful and useful, and you turn over that big pile at the end of the year. You do need to probably take it to an accountant. I know I certainly do take my data to an accountant for my tax return. But that's not the main goal of QuickBooks, and it's not the main goal of having healthy financial knowledge to run your business. That's where I step in. As an Advanced Certified QuickBooks Pro Advisor, I am very capable, which is probably an understatement, of getting good data into QuickBooks. But it is the next step that really makes a difference. And you've got a lot of opportunities on who may be able to help you with that next step. And that is, how do we understand it? What is it telling us? What are our financial statements telling us about the functionality of our business, and how can we use them as a tool to make better management decisions going forward? Now, not every set of financials is ready to give you useful information. That's where my VIP day really comes in. I take the time side by side with the owners of the business, my clients, and we really talk about what are the key data points that would be helpful for you, that would be useful to analyze your success and build toward your future. And then we find a way to record those data points most effectively. Then, when we've got the historical data, now we understand it better. We create a financial statement that doesn't just blurt data at you. It tells you a story about your business and how it's working so that you can take it and make next steps going forward. And that's the difference between getting a capable bookkeeper or having QuickBooks just try to take care of it versus having me help you identify that important data, find a process to record it, maintain that process recording it, and now we can shift into an analysis mode, which is really the most important phase before you ever get to the point of a tax return. Understanding what your financials say and understanding how you can use them to be more successful is the key going forward. If you're ready to take that step, give me a call. My name is Laura Meier-Schmitz with Mulberry Business Solutions.